All right, guys, Coach Arnie here. We are going to go into a little mini workshop for the feet because we have so many challenges with our feet, especially as we increase our time on our feet. We put stress on those tendons. So what do we want to get into is I want to show you a series of things you can do every day and a couple times a week that will help you to strengthen your feet. You got to strengthen your feet. All right. So the first thing, you've heard me mention the modified spring foot. Now you'll notice that my heels are barely up. I'm tapping in this rack right here, so I'm holding, I have a little balance there, but I don't need to use it. And I have my heels up. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. You could go up to a minute with this, and you're gonna work, you wanna feel the pressure on your toes. So you're gonna feel that big toe mainly and their toes. You wanna feel pressure, okay? It's modified spring foot. Now, once you get good at that, then you can go to a single leg. Now you can hold on to something. Keep your leg straight. Bring your heel up. Now we're doing modified spring foot with a single leg, and you're gonna get a lot more pressure on that calf and on your feet. Again, you can do this every day. You can do this every day. 30 seconds to a minute, multiple times a day as well. So those are the first two beginning level to work on strengthening your feet. And then what I call spring foot is we get on a box, okay? And for those of you that still have weak feet, we can go 2 feet together, get on the edge of the box with your toes, bend your knees, put pressure on those toes. It's not a stretching movement. It's a strengthening movement. We do that for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then we add weight, and then we get 1 foot. So we do 1 foot at a time. Those are the different levels of spring foot, okay? And then the second level I think is the toughest. That's where we bring our heels down, bend the knees. Some people like to think of it as more of a stretch, but when you're putting the weight on your toes, you're getting a lot of pressure on your big toe and your toes and your feet, okay? And then that can transfer into single leg. Again, and then you can add weight. You can hold a weight in your hand, all right? Then the third position of spring foot is we're gonna go way up on our toes. Some of you can get way up there, I can't. But you put that pressure on your big toe, get it up on your calves. You're gonna get good strength in your toes and the tendons and ligaments in your feet. It's phenomenal. Okay, so there you go. Those few little movements right there done on a regular basis, I promise you, are gonna make your feet stronger and you're gonna have less problems. Now, I'm gonna add one more thing. One more thing for those of you that are dealing with some tendonitis issues, especially back here, okay? We've all been there. This is my magical push. So over here, and some of you might look at this as the old runner stretch, but it's really not, because I am going to push. I'm going to push off my back foot as hard as I can for about 5 seconds. And I can work my way up to 30 seconds, and I'm going to do that with both feet. And you're pushing, you're putting weight, you're pushing, you're driving. It's an isometric contraction off your foot. And I promise you, if you're dealing with any kind of Achilles tendonitis or any kind of tendonitis in your ankle or foot, you will get rid of it if you do this on a regular basis. This one you can do every other day or so. Or you can do it every day if you want to, as long as it's not hurt. But this is a great isometric hold for tendon strengthening of your feet. All right, guys, there you go. Love you.